Hello everyone, I'm Tim. Today is the Saturday of 40 days Python Flask Web Development for beginners. Today's topic is template. Firstly, we should know the goal of today's development. We want to develop a book reading list website for personal. It's very simple website, included the title, included the book list, and also foot of this site. It's very simple, but how to achieve this goal? Firstly, you have to use the HTML and Jinja for the template. For example, this is the main template for our site. You have using Jinja. Jinja could mainly include three parts. First is about stored variable using certificate marked, and this marked stored the if for code conditions. For example, here the name is variable stop here, and for and in books for book in books, it's a kind of conditions code store here. Actually, this is the command. For command. Actually, Jinja is mainly use some kind of pattern, variable, and filters. Variable is the same as the meaning variable Python in the Python code. Filter is like the range, or filter is like the Python function. For example, this one, books range. Books is variable. Range is the filter is like the function, like the len function in the Python code. Yeah, actually, this is there is a variable name and also books. The name and the books are this variable are passed from the our Python code. Yeah, this is the Python code for today's website. This is the name. For example, the name variable team. My name is Teams. And also we have used the router to tell which kind of template will be renders. So to render a template, you can use the render template function method. What you have to do is provide the name of the template. For example, the name is team, and also pass the other variables. For example, the books. We pass the books. This actually it can pass the library or list and so on, dictionary. So this books this is the list included number of dictionary, included the titles and also yes. And now the function is indexed because we want to add the index page for the website. Yeah, it's very simple. Let's begin the code. Yeah, it's very simple. Day 3, firstly we should build the index HTML. Just copy the code in the from the slide, and then this way we should build a file name. For example, app py or this same name. We should delete firstly. Yeah, we build a new name. App. Yeah, very simple. From let's say this one. Yeah, from Flask port Flask and brand app Flask name. Okay, we divide the name team. Yeah, and also we copy books. Yeah, I actually have stored in there. Yeah. Yeah, okay. And the code is a wait, this is index. Yeah. Yeah, we return the template. Return the template name. Box. Okay. Now we have complete the code. Yeah. Okay. That's firstly we should set the day3 environment application. Okay. Flask run. Okay, now it's okay. We can okay. The website is complete. Very simple, very easy. Yeah. Finally, let's push our code. Okay. Git add git commit add index page git push. Okay, everything is updated. Is updated. Yeah, let's go to now. The code in the GitHub. The code is updated. The new for today's day3. It's very simple. Yeah. If you guys like my video, please subscribe my channel and give your comments. Thanks very much. See you in next time.